Hello guys, welcome to Tech Corner, where we simplify tech for you. In today's video, I'll take you gradually on the process of on how to downgrade from your iOS 26 to back to your iOS 18.5, because me currently I am not finding it funny because this iOS 26 drains my battery and it has some lags and some crashes on this my iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm currently not finding it funny, and I believe someone out there might also be having same issue. So I'll be showing you on how to downgrade from this iOS 26. Let me show you iOS 26 to iOS 26 to the 18.5 that we've been using. I will not update my own again until it is modified, until the real version is released. So if you're in this category where you're finding it difficult to go back to the iOS 18.5 that you were because you upgraded to the iOS 26.0, watch this video. This video is for you. There are 4 steps you need to take, and I believe before you update, if you watch my video in updating from iOS 18 to iOS 26, you remember that I said you should back up your file. That is very essential, because currently now, if you've backed up your file, it will be easier for you to do that now. So there are 4 steps you need to take to downgrade from this iOS to iOS 18.5. First and foremost, you have to disable Find My Mac. Note that. Secondly, if you've done your backup before, it's fine, but if not done your backup, you have to do your backup. Thirdly, you have to download the iOS 18.5, and fourthly, you have to restore the iOS 18.5, and you have to be patient. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to do this diligently, slow and steady. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. Our goal is to hit 1K subscriber by the end of this year, so do as well to hit that subscribe button, because we'll be dropping content back to back. So first and foremost, before we do anything, there are 2 things you'll be needing. You'll be needing a laptop, be it a MacBook or a Windows laptop, and also you'll be needing a USB Type-C cable. These are things you'll be needing. They are here. These are things you'll be needing. So, but mind you, there's no way around this. You must have a laptop. You must use a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, borrow from a friend, either a brother or from a colleague. This thing won't take up to 30 minutes or for, let's say, at most 1 hour. So you'll be needing a laptop. You cannot do it without laptop. So if you updated to this iOS 26 and you want to downgrade back to the 18.5 you are using, you have to get a laptop. If you're using Windows, all you have to do is to download the latest iTunes, and if you're using the Apple MacBook, you don't need to download anything. It's already pre-installed. So let's dive in. Before we forge ahead, all we have to do is to turn off Find My Mac. Now come to your settings and tap on this. As you can see, you will see Find My Mac. Turn it off. In some cases, if this Find My Mac is not highlighted to turn off, like my own is highlighted. Let's go back. If it's not highlighted to turn off and you find it difficult to turn off, all you have to do, go back to your settings. Go back to your settings. Watch very well. Go back to your setting and go to Face ID and passcode. In case your own is not turning off, it's not highlighted to turn off, go back there and come to this place where you see stolen device protection. Your own will be on. If at that particular point is not highlighted, your own will be on. Turn it off. But mind you, while you turn it off, it will take 1 hour to reflect. So when you turn it up, you just have to keep the phone one side and start downloading your iOS 18.5 so as to not waste much time. So this is how you do it. So you come back to your iCloud, go to Find My Mac and turn it off. As you can see, it has turned off. It's requiring for my password, so I'm going to input my password now. So I've input my password and the iCloud. The Find My Mac is turned off now. But should in case you did the what I said you should do, you have to wait for 1 hour. But if your own is highlighted, you just have to continue. So Find My Mac is turned off. One step is gone. Now, if you're using a Windows laptop, fine. If you're using a MacBook, now is the right time to get your laptop. So here is my laptop. So now that you've gotten your laptop, all we have to do, we have to download the iOS 18.5. We have to download the iOS 18.5 before we do any other thing. We have to download that iOS 18.5. For you to download iOS 18.5, you go to your favorite browser, either the Chrome or the Safari, and type ipsw.me. Watch. Okay, I'm using Chrome. Type ipsw.me and hit enter. Now let me open it boldly so you can see. So you come to this place, scroll down, you see iPhone, iPad, Mac, Vision Pro, television, blah blah blah. This is where you download all your iOS file, your iOS file for your phone. So since we are trying to download the file for our 13 Pro, we just click on iPhone. If you see advert like this, just click on close. Now here are the list of phones that are made. So you have the 16e, 16 Pro. Because I'm actually trying to downgrade from my 13 Pro. So this is iPhone 13 Pro. I want to downgrade from my 13 Pro. I have to select 13 Pro. This is 13 Pro. Click on 13 Pro. Now the 13 Pro is selected. You can see this green is ticked good. If you come down to this place, you find out that these ones are not compatible with it. That is why they are cancelled. That is why they are showing red. So this one is the available one that can be installed on this 13 Pro. So just click on it. Make sure it is ticked blue. Click on it. When you click on it, you can scroll down and click and tap on download. If you tap on download, mind you, this is going to take you about 30 to 40 minutes depending on your network. So I've downloaded mine already. If you're done downloading yours, all you have to do, get your USB cable. This is my cable. Mind you, I've downloaded my, connect it. If you connect it, then connect it to either your Windows laptop. Connect it to either your Windows laptop or your Mac laptop. Now it said allow accessory to connect. Just click on allow. Now see what is showing. Trust this computer. Because I want to trust the computer, I want it to connect to the computer, I'll click on trust. Keep your phone one side. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. Mind you, you have to do your backup. If you've not backed up before you upgraded your iOS 26. So go to your Finder. Come to your Finder, as you can see. Come to your Finder. Open it big. You'll be seeing your iPhone here. As you can see where my mouse is showing. Let me bring it closer. Now we've connected our iPhone. As you can see, it's connected. We've downloaded the iOS 18.5. Second step, we've turned off the Find My Mac, which is very, very necessary. So now I will show you how to backup if you've not done backup before. But if you've done your backup previously, you just have to move straight. So we are downloading the driver that will make the phone connect. So let's wait for it to download. So note that before you restore your phone or downgrade your phone back to 18.5, you have to turn on Find My Mac first and foremost. Secondly, you have to download the iOS 18.5 from the ips.me.com and download exactly the file for your phone. If you're using a 12 Pro Max, you download for 12 Pro Max. If you're using a 13 Pro, you cannot go and download a 16 Pro Max 18.5 and install it on a 13 Pro. You have to download a specific file for that particular phone so that you will not have issue. And thirdly, if you've not done your backup before, I will be showing you how to do your backup on this particular system. And if you're using a window, it's same thing. All you have to do is to get to download an iTunes. If you're using a MacBook, you don't need to download an iTunes because it's already pre-installed. So now that we've connected our iPhone, we've trusted our iPhone, because we want to downgrade it. So let's head straight to the point. Go to your Finder if you're using the iPhone. If you're using the MacBook, if you're using the window, go to your iTunes. So come to this place, you see your iPhone will be showing. So mine is actually, I renamed it, see it, click on it. You see that my phone is showing iPhone 13 Pro, as you can see. So now, because let's assume you've not done your backup before and you want to backup, all you have to do is to back up your most important data on your iCloud, back up all the data on your iPhone to this Mac. So you can select all the data and select backup now. I'm not going to click the backup now because I've already done my backup. So if you click the backup now, all your files will be backed up. If you're done downloading your iOS 18.5, let's say you're done downloading your 18.5, because I've downloaded mine. Look at where I pasted it. It's on the desktop. So you have to put it where you can actually select it. So now I've downloaded mine. I will assume you too also have downloaded yours. So if you want to restore this, you don't just have to click restore. You have to hold the option key. If you're using Mac, you have to hold the option key. You have to hold the option key if you're using Mac. If you're using Windows, you hold the shift key. If you are using Mac, you hold the option key and click on restore, so that it will show you where you select the iOS 18.5 you've downloaded. So I saved mine on the desktop. So come to desktop, let's search for it. This is it. Click select and click open. Look at what it's saying. Your Mac will erase and restore your iPhone to iOS 18.5 and will verify the restore with Apple. So now click on. Please, before you click on restore, make sure that Find My Mac is turned off. Make sure you backed up your file if you've not done it before you updated to iOS 26, and make sure you're connected to the internet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. I also have video where if you want to update to iOS 26, if you feel like I did, so also watch other videos on my page. So you can now click restore. As you can see, it said your Mac is preparing to restore the software for the iPhone. So let me bring it close so you see. So you just have to wait. If you watch closely, you see extracting software. So just wait. So it's preparing to restore your iPhone. Currently you're running on iOS 26.0, so your Mac will be restoring this iPhone 13 Pro to 18.5. Make sure you don't disconnect your phone. Make sure you don't shake your phone while restoring. Even though it's finished restoring and it has not shown anything on the iPhone, don't disconnect it. Wait for it until you see the famous hello before you could disconnect it. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. Mind you, if your own is showing like this, do not disconnect your phone. Even though it's done, do not disconnect your phone until your phone shows the hello. Once it shows the famous hello, before you could disconnect, because if you check very well, you see that the phone is still loading. So do not disconnect. Do not disconnect your phone. Just keep it plugged in before and wait for your phone to show the hello, the famous hello. So you can see it's still loading. Watch closely, you see that it's still loading, but the iTunes has been closed. So just hold on. This is how I've been using. This is the method I've been using to update and downgrade my iPhones for the past 5 to 6 years. So if you also want to update on or restore any iPhone, this is the method. Now, as you can see, it has shown the famous hello. See it closely. So now you can disconnect it and set up. NEPA just took the lights while I'm making this video. As you can see, we are done restoring our iPhone. So we are setting it up. So I've connected to Wi-Fi. Okay. Later, if you want to put passcode. No, I don't want passcode. For me, I don't want to restore anything. So now, if you did backup on your iCloud, you can get it from your iCloud. If you backed up with another iPhone, you can get it with another. If you backed up using iTunes on your Windows laptop or PC, you click on this. If you backed up using an Android phone, depends on the method you backed up your file, your phone before resetting or before updating it to iOS 26 or whichever way. It's either you back up through your iCloud or another iPhone or from a PC or a Mac. So me, I did not do backup because this is a spare phone, so I'm going to use don't transfer anything. So I have to sign in my iCloud. No. Okay. So agree. Continue. Not now. Later. So I want to show you that we've downgraded to iOS 18.5. Later settings. Don't share. Continue. So you can see you are back to from iOS 26 to 18.5. Let's be sure. Software updates. As you can see, we now have our 18.5 on our iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Even though NEPA took light while I'm trying to shoot this video. See you in my next video. Thank you all for watching.